Hello, good afternoon everyone. It's me Anuja Regmi. Today I am here standing in front of you to give a short presentation on strategic management as a part of our project. And so I would like to give thanks to our teachers, Kate, who gives us this opportunity to speak on this project. And the company we have selected for the project is the Torpedo 7, which is one of the reputed and popular bicycle manufacturing and retailing company in New Zealand. In this part, I'm going to give brief description about the functional level strategies and the business level strategies. Is my friend Matthias have already given the introduction of the Torpedo Level 7 and how it established and how it gains popularity in the New Zealand market. So let's begin with the functional level strategies. Functional level strategies includes the different marketing strategies like human resource strategy, information strategies, and research and development strategies in order to gain the superior quality, superior efficiency, superior innovation, and the superior customer responsiveness. In terms of gaining the superior quality, Torpedo 7 is manufacturing the bicycles that have unique quality and features, like they are putting racks or buckets in the bicycles, and similarly they also set up lights using batteries or dynamo, and they also add foldable and comfortable seats in the bicycles. And in order to increase the efficiency, Torpedo 7 is selling high quality of electric bikes, having different features like dual braking system, a powerful motor, increased battery life, strong wheels and frames, which help the people to make them comfortable and to use the bicycles. And Torpedo 7 is also using the latest technology in their bikes. For example, they are using they are increasing the capacity of the battery of their bicycles, and they have replaced the hydraulic brake system and display brake systems in their bikes. And they are also going to manufacture the foldable bicycles, so that two persons can ride the bicycle at the same time. And regarding the customer responsiveness, they are giving more services to the customers in compared to the competitors. Like they are giving the home-based service, which means giving service in the door-to-door, and they also give low repairing services to the customer, low cost repairing service to the customers, and the free accessories and parts during festivals, seasons, and other public events. As a senior analyst, I would like to give some recommendation to the senior level management to improve the business performance of the Torpedo 7. The first is the better customer service. Customer satisfaction is the prime goal for the Torpedo 7 bicycle company, because we have to give more focus to the customer demands, because the customer wants quality and the branded bicycles to ride on mountain or anywhere else. The technology and process could be automation in the production, hiring skilled employees and using information technology. And the next is this should involve the employees in the decision making, so that the employees can share their views and the suggestion and some informations in order to change the strategy of the company. Like similarly, they also focused on quality and brand, because in this age the people are becoming more brand conscious, so they prefer quality bicycles to ride. And the Torpedo 7 also needs to host events, so that the customers or the person can engage personally with the company and with the employees of the organization, so that they can get the real information and detailed information about the bicycles, their color, regarding their color, quality, size, and the prices. And also they have to analyze the customers' buying behavior, because customers want to buy the bicycles on the basis of their quality and the price, because some customers are brand conscious, so they do not care about the prices. They just focus on the brand, and they would like to purchase the branded bicycles. But on the other hand, some people are price conscious, so they do not want to focus on the quality. They just give priority to the price, and they want to purchase the bicycles having low price. The next is the business level strategy. The business level strategy can be defined as a way that business adopts to differentiate its product from other business companies. It can be said that the business level strategies are the coordinated set of commitments that help a business company to gain competitive advantage, exploiting the core competencies of the organization in a specific target market. Torpedo 7 mainly deals with the electric and the mountain bikes. So these bikes are more different than the competitor bikes like Vitas, Sonic Discovery, Milazzo, Aventon Pace, because it had more extra features and quality in compared to those bikes. Like Torpedo 7 is adding more features and latest design like removable integrated battery system, and they also added the water bottle cage and taper head system and the smart wheel sizing. So the company is able to gain more profit, and they are able to attract more customers. Similarly, the company is adopting the differentiation strategy rather than the cost leadership strategy, because the company is producing more quality and branded bicycles, so it just focus on the quality and the branded parts of its bicycle. The company is using different latest technology, so that it can make its product different than the competitors' product, and it is also giving better customer service, which I have already mentioned, like home-based servicing, low repairing cost services, and service on call, and the internet, online services. So it has found that most of the customers like to buy these products rather than the competitors' products, as they have good quality, features, and branded products. And Torpedo 7 can attain competitive positioning in the market by adopting this differentiation strategy, as they are provided unique product to the customers, and so the customers feel this product different than the others' products. So I would like to give some recommendation. As being a senior analyst, I would like to suggest the senior level management team of the company to improve some features. The first is to adopt new technology and process. The companies should adopt new technologies and process in their production system. in case they can also bring some changes in their bicycles, and they also can import the parts from other countries. And the next is a higher skilled employees. The company should hire skilled employees to give extra information about the bicycles, and to assemble the parts of the bicycles. Better communication. The company should have better communication with the employees as well as to the customers, so that they can share the information of the company to the outsiders. Improve quality. As I have already mentioned that the Torpedo is giving qualitative products, but it can also improve its quality by adding extra features which are demanded by the customers, like it can also manufactures tandem bikes, recommend bikes, and mountain export bikes, which they haven't produced yet. And the customer interaction. The customer satisfaction is the most important factor for the business companies like Torpedo 7, because if the customers are not satisfied with the products, they cannot buy or purchase the products. So it is better. It is essential to understand the what the customer demands and what kinds of products they want, so that they can focus on those products in order to fulfill their demands. From this, I would like to compare the bicycles of Torpedo with the bicycle of Beta, so that you can find the difference between those bicycles. The picture clearly shows that the bicycle of Torpedo 7 is more stronger than the bicycle of Beta's. The bicycle of Torpedo is using giving option of gears and the disc brake system, but Beta's is not providing their services here. And also the bicycle of Torpedo is looking stronger, as they have the wide tires and the good pedaling system. You have clearly seen that the pedaling system of Torpedo 7 is more good than the bicycle of Beta's. Thank you. Any questions?
Would you like to use any product of Torpedo, and why?
Yeah, of course. I haven't used the bicycle of Torpedo 7 yet, but I'm planning to buy the bicycles of Torpedo 7 if it have the good quality and durability compared to the other bicycles. I'm planning to buy the bicycle of Torpedo, but I'm not sure. Yeah.
Where can we buy it?
Pardon?
Where can we buy the Torpedo 7 bicycle here in New Zealand?
Yeah, because
No, I mean where? Where can we buy
in Riccarton. We have a store of Torpedo 7 in Riccarton. It is just about 5 minutes from my home.
In Riccarton Mall?
No, not in the Riccarton Mall. Because there are more than 22 stores of Torpedo 7 in New Zealand. One is in the Riccarton, which is just 10 minutes from my house. Any questions?
Any other questions?
Thank you so much.